Seaborn plots not showing up. I'm sure I'm forgetting something very simple, but I cannot get certain plots to work with Seaborn. If I do, then any plots that I create as usual with matplotlib get the Seaborn styling, with the grey grid in the background. However, if I try to do one of the examples, such as the pairPlot function returns a pairGrid object, but the plot doesn't show up. I'm a little confused because matplotlib seems to be functioning properly, and the Seaborn styles are applied to other matplotlib plots, but the Seaborn functions don't seem to do anything. Does anybody have any idea what might be the problem?
Plots created using Seaborn need to be displayed like ordinary matplotlib plots. This can be done using the function from matplotlib. Originally I posted the solution to use the already imported matplotlib object from Seaborn, sns.plt.show, however this is considered to be a bad practice. Therefore, simply directly import the _matplotlib.pyplot_ module and show your plots with. If the Ipython notebook is used, the inline backend can be invoked to remove the necessity of calling show after each plot. The respective magic is
I come to this question quite regularly and it always takes me a while to find what I search. Please note, in Python 2, you can also use sns.plt.show, but not in Python 3. Complete example. Gives.
To avoid confusion, as there seems to be some in the comments. Assuming you are on Jupyter. %matplotlib inline is greater than displays the plot inside the notebook. sns.plt.show is greater than displays the plot outside of the notebook. %matplotlib inline will override sns.plt.show in the sense that plots will be shown in the notebook even when sns.plt.show is called. And yes, it is easy to include the line into your config. Automatically run %matplotlib inline in Ipython notebook. But it seems a better convention to keep it together with imports in the actual code.
This worked for me.
If you plot an Ipython console where you can't use %matplotlib inline instead of Jupyter Notebook and don't want to run plt.show repeatedly, you can start Ipython console with Ipython pylab.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.